In this episode, I will show you two techniques to create symmetrical pen lines. Watch the whole video to learn both of them. First, you either sand or prime the surface. Then, create whatever design you like. Create a template of the design with a Pla Plate. Now, you can flip the Pla Plate and get an exact symmetrical copy. I'm using Pla Plate as a guide. What you can do instead is mark all the edges with a scribing pen. Then, using a chisel and diamond tape, add the pen lines. Cut a small masking tape, then put it on top of the pen line. Retrace the lines with scribing pen or pencil. Then you can either cut the masking tape while it's still on the plastic, or move it to your cutting mat, then trim off the excess. Slowly peel it off. I trim the edges so I know where the line starts and ends. I also trim the bottom side a little bit for my reference later. Next, stick the first tape to a Pla Plate or ruler, then a new tape on top of it. Make sure it's sticky side to sticky side, otherwise you won't get the mirror effect. Trim all the edges. Peel it off slowly. Now, you have a symmetrical copy of your pen line. All you need to do is retrace the lines on the left side. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something on this episode. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. See you on the next episode.